Draw the region bounded by the curves and find the area of the region. So the curves are y equals 3 over x. Just use your calculator. 3 over x will have curves like this, but we are only looking for x positive. That means right hand side only, this side. So this curve, so this red curve, y equals 3 over x, y equals 12x. That's going to be something like this here. So this is y equals 12x, and y equals x over 3 or 1/3 x. That's going to be something like this. So here is y equals 1/3 x or x over 3, and x positive, so only on the right side. So we got the region bounded by these three curves. Unfortunately, we don't have upper curve and lower curve. We have lower curve, but there are two upper curves. So when we find the area of this region, since we have two upper curves, we need to divide this region into two parts. The lower curve is fine, x over 3 or 1/3 x, same. Here is the point, that's the x equals, so y equals 6, where there is 12x and 3 over x intersect. So if I draw a line here, then the whole region is now can be divided into two parts. So this is one part. Now I need to know this x coordinate. That's one part, and I got second part here. So let me draw with different. So this is the second part. Okay, in this case, this is 3 over x is the upper curve, and lower curve is same in both cases. So I'm going to go from here to all the way here. So I need to know x coordinate for this point of intersection and x coordinate for this point of intersection. Then for this region, upper curve is 12x, lower curve is x over 3, and for this region, upper curve is 3 over x and lower is same. Okay, so let me find this point of intersection. That's how we can find this x coordinate. So this is the point of intersection of 12x. So we're going to set them equal. 12x equals this curve 3 over x. This over 1, cross multiply, 12x square equals 3, divide by 12, 3 over 12, 1/4, take a square root, 1/2, plus minus, but we are working on positive, so this is 1/2, x is 1/2, 0.5. Okay, now we need to know this one as well. So this is the point of intersection of this x over 3 and 3 over x. Cross multiply, x square equals 9, plus minus 3, but positive, so 3. Okay, so from 0 to 0.5, upper curve minus lower curve. From 0.5 to 3, upper curve minus lower curve. So this is how we find the area bounded by these three curves. Okay, since we had two different curves as upper, so we need to divide into this part. So I will write area from 0 through 0.5 or 1/2. Upper is 12x minus lower is x over 3 or 1/3 x, same thing, plus for the second region, upper is 3 over x minus lower is same thing, 1/3 x, and this is from 0.5 through 3. Okay, here let's integrate 12x square over 2, so 6x squared minus 1/3 times x square over 2, so x square over 6. That is from 0 to 1/2, plus here 3 times 1 over x. 3 is 3, 1 over x, antiderivative natural log of x. And I don't need absolute value because everything is in positive side of x-axis, minus 1/3 is 1/3 times antiderivative of x is x square over 2. So x square over 2 times 3 is 6. It's the same thing like here. And we go from 0.5 half through all the way to 3. Now just use your calculator and it should be good. So 6 times 1/2 is square. So 6 times 1/2 is square 1/4 minus 1/2 is square 1/4 divided by 6. So 1/4, 4 times 6, 24. That's the upper limit. And when we plug in 0, 0 minus 0 gone. So there is no contribution. Plus upper limit 3. So 3 ln 3 minus 3 squared 9 over 6. That's upper minus, okay, there is a plus sign, so we don't have to worry about sign change. Plug in 1/2, so 3 times, let me write over here, I don't have room. So this is upper limit plugging in 3 minus lower limit 3 ln 0.5, which is 1/2, same thing, minus 1/2 is squared. This is 1/2 by the way. 1/2 is squared means 1/4, so 1 over 4 times 6, 24. It's the same thing. Okay, and just do basic algebra. You can just use your calculator and give me the decimal number. That works as well. 6/4 is okay. 6 over 4, which is 3/2, minus 1 over 24. 3 ln 3 minus 9, 6, 3/2. 3 goes 3 times, 3 goes 2 times, minus 3 ln 1/2 minus plus when we distribute 1 over 24. Oh, positive 124, negative 124 cancel. 3/2 also cancel. That leaves 3 ln 3 minus 3 ln half. You may leave here, but you can simplify in this way. 3 outside. ln 3 minus ln 1/2. 3. Difference of two natural logs is natural log of quotient. 3 divided by 1/2. This 3 outside, natural log of 3 divided by 1/2 means 2 goes 6. 3 natural log of 6. Okay, you may leave here. You can leave here as well, or just give the decimal answer. But this is the this is better answer. Okay, final.